Hello Glam babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anj. It's a beautiful day to be alive. Today what we're actually going to go ahead and do is something so fun, and this literally was a stress reliever for me. I went ahead and did my nails and I put these gorgeous crystals on. Oh my goodness, they were so cute, and I was actually very nervous doing it because I thought I was going to mess it up. This is inspired by Jordan. I'll have her name on the screen and in the description box so you guys know who I'm talking about. Jordan Lipscombe. I gotta give a shout out to her because she did this on her channel, and I needed to get my nails done, and I ended up doing this all thanks to her. My sister honestly did not believe that I did it, and my mom, she loves these nails, and my mom usually does not like any of my nails to be real with you. So please subscribe to this channel, and let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Stay safe, everyone. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Like I said, I just watched Jordan's nail tutorial, and I literally went on Amazon and I bought that nail kit as well as these crystals. I immediately bought it, and I'm actually going to be doing the nail tutorial that Jordan just did, and I'm actually going to be obviously putting our own little twist to it because you always have to make it your own, be authentic. Right now I'm actually showing you a video really quickly of what my nails currently look like. I just took off my nails, my acrylic nails, which was so damaging to my nails, and my nails are so fragile, and it's honestly so bad right now. It's so bad. So we're gonna be a little bit more gentle than I normally am. We're just gonna go ahead right now and cut all our nails off. I'm actually gonna be cutting it as close to my get rid of all that, the length. That's mostly what I'm going to be doing. So now you're gonna go ahead and take a cotton ball and some nail polish remover and just clean off your nails from any oils, from any lotion. You just want it to be 100% clean. Ooh, this is important. So this is how short I've cut my nails, and as you can see, after the nail polish remover, it is dry. There are no oils, no lotion, and it just ensures that. You're gonna then go ahead and take a nail file. There's like technically two sides to it. One is a little bit more harsher than the other, so you can use that to your own liking. You're obviously gonna go ahead and narrow the nail just a little bit, file off the edges, and then also on the top surface of the nail itself, like I'm doing right now, you're just gonna scuff it up just a little bit, just to give it some texture, some rigidness, so when you do actually place your nails on that surface, it has something to grip onto, and we need that grip. So these are the products that I bought from Amazon myself. They actually came pretty fast, even in March 2020, which was I was actually impressed. So here are the crystals, which comes in these packets. You'll see what I do with them. It does suck because it doesn't come with its own package, because once you open it, it's kind of like it'll be everywhere. But watch later in the video what I do. Here are the bigger gems, which are so gorgeous, and it comes with those tweezers and as well as that pencil, which I really don't know how you use it, but if someone does, please tell me. And obviously the nails themselves. Like I said, this actually came pretty fast, so I will leave that in the description box down below. What you want to go ahead and do is lay out your nails, and I actually just put it on top of that finger, and I just will go ahead and try to see if it fits on that finger for me, and I just lay it out. This is one of those trial and error moments. And now that you found the ones that you actually will be using, you're gonna go ahead and put this glue. This is the glue I had. I did not order nail glue from Amazon, which I probably should have, so please go ahead and do that. But I went ahead and low-key used that glue and I placed it on every single one of my nails, and all you have to do is place a generous amount of glue and take that nail, press it down to your finger and hold it for about 30 to 40 seconds, and make sure you do hold it, and even on the edges, kind of pinch it on the edges just to make sure it is actually held there pretty tight. Because let's be honest, we don't want to do this again. So once these nails are on, we want to do everything and anything possible to make sure that they stick. Because it took me about like an hour and like 40 minutes, close to 2 hours, to do this entire project. And they are on. It took me a minute to like the length. I never ever had it that long, but once I actually had it that long, I love it. I love it today, and I love it till this day. I'm over here click clacking with my nails, and I actually really do like that length. I love these ballerina tip styles, and they're so cute. I used to go for the stiletto ones, the claws, which are so bomb as well, but these ballerina are a beautiful twist. So next step is, if you see that tip right there, we're just gonna go ahead and file off the tips just to make sure everything is set appropriately, because they do have that little extra material there. So we're just actually going to go ahead and file the rest of our nails just a little bit just to get that off. So this particular step, I'm actually honestly the worst at, painting your nails. So you're just going to go ahead and paint it, and I decided to go with this color and this beautiful nude color. So we're just going to go ahead and paint the first coat, and after you actually paint the first coat, you're just going to let it dry for a little bit, and then you're going to go ahead and come back and do the second coat as well, obviously, to make it more vibrant, because we don't do no basic stuff here. And now it's time for round 2, so you're going to go ahead and put the second coat on, and look at me doing my left hand. It's so hilarious, but it was honestly the most hardest part for me because I suck. But that is not gonna stop us from letting our nails look fabulous and complete, like the way we truly want it to look like. The best part ever, we're gonna go ahead and get our nails crystalled up. Eye-catching moment. Get it iced out, get it all crystalled out, and get the gems together, because we are just that extra. So we're gonna go ahead and put the crystals on, and for my middle finger, of course, we're gonna go ahead and put the entire thing, as many crystals as I can. We're gonna obviously go ahead and use those tweezers. So I tried to use that pencil that it provided. I use that to dip into the crazy glue area and just dip it onto the area that I want on my nail. So I kind of use that. I mean, I'm not sure if that's how you're supposed to use it, but that's just what I ended up doing. And sometimes it worked and sometimes it really did not. The ring finger area is the only place where I use that big gem, and I surrounded it with a lot more smaller circles. So just so you know about that. And for my index finger, I went ahead and placed the crazy glue on it, obviously using that pencil, and I just honestly surrounded it with a bunch of circular gems in that particular area. And when I went ahead and did that, I decided to add 2 more circular gems just to bring it down just a little bit, and you'll see that later on in that video. And picking up gems, I would have to say, is a huge skill set, because look at me right now. It took me the most longest time to pick up this one piece of crystal. So I just want to say shout out to all the nail techs in the entire world. You guys literally have a gift from God. For a pinky, I went ahead and I just put the gems across my cuticle area, just in that curvature right there, and I just left it after that. Oof, it is coming along. Look at that progress. Look at that gorgeous outcome. Because I am extra, I'm actually going to go ahead and go back into my middle finger, and I'm going to place more crazy glue, so this way I can have more sizes of the circular gems all around my middle finger. For one quick little hint, have the gems outside of that plastic container, because taking it out from that plastic container, it is the most difficult thing known to man. And oof, she is complete. That is the final product. Look at the before and look at the after, and we're gonna go ahead and just duplicate it on my other hand, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera. Oh yeah, that came out gorgeous. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys truly do appreciate it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, mwah.